Hello students, how are you? I hope you are well at home and I am also well by the grace of God. As we know that the running topic is nouns number and we have to learn it because it will help you in the fields of singular and plural. We have studied a lot of facts about singular and plural, but some facts we have to know. That is the remaining part of nouns number according to your standard, according to class 6 and 7. So firstly we will have to learn it nicely, which is taught by me before this class. Today we have to know some more facts about singular plural. So the first rule will be, by adding s to some nouns, by adding s to some nouns, ending with f, okay. To make the plurals, only you have to add s in the word. Okay, just like example, roof, or OOF, and the plural form will be roofs, or OOFS. Okay, only s we have to add. Cuff, next example, CUFF, cuffs. No any problem will be there if you know the particular facts to make plurals. So roof is going to change into roofs to make plurals, and cuff will be changed into cuffs. Any doubt? No. Understand? Next one will be, the next rule will be study. We have to study rules number 2. Okay, by changing the y into IES, by changing the y into IES in nouns ending with a consonant. In nouns ending with consonant. With a consonant plus y. These are the facts. This is fact we have to understand, very, very logical, very, very important, because the word will be ending with y, then we have to convert into IES to y to make their plurals. So example you will have to follow. Example number 1, glory. The plural form will be glories. Y is going to change into IES to make their plurals. Clear? Next one, baby. The plural form will be babies. I think no any doubt. To convert into plural form, whether the word is ending with Y, then the main thing you will have to follow Y before consonant is coming. This is consonant. This is consonant. Before Y, consonant is coming. So in that circumstances, you will have to add IES. So firstly, you will have to remove Y, and in place of Y, have to add IES to make their plurals. So no any problem will be raised after understanding it. So the fact by adding S to some nouns ending with F have to make plurals. Roof, roofs, cuff, cuffs, changing the Y, next rules, into IES in nouns ending with a consonant plus Y, just like glory, glories, baby, baby. I think no any doubt and no any problem. Next one, the next rules will be by adding S to noun, by adding S to some nouns ending with a vowel, ending with a vowel plus Y. Mark my point. Their consonant plus Y before these rules. The fact is given consonant plus Y plus here vowel plus Y. Okay? To make the plurals, monkey, MONKEY is equal to Y coming, but before Y vowel is coming. So the form plural will be monkeys. Only you have to add S to make their plurals. So monkey will be converted into monkeys. I think no any doubt. Key, KEY, and this is vowel. Before Y vowel is coming, so keys will be plural. I think no any problem will be raised. Next one will be the next example, day, DAY, and will be changed into days. That means these are the plural form of this particular word, and it shows vowel plus Y, vowel plus Y, vowel plus Y. In this circumstances, whenever you have to change into plural form, you have to add only S in the word, and it's certain the word will be changed into plural form. Only you will have to keep this particular concept in your brain. That means you have to remember it. Without learning, without memorizing, you can't command on it. So firstly you will have to remember it. It's so important for all of us. Next one will be next rules by changing the inside vowel or vowels of the singular noun. By changing the vowel of the singular noun. Okay, vowels of the singular noun. So through example we shall try to understand the plural form of the particular words, just like example foot, F-O-O-T, just like example man, M-A-N, just like example tooth, T-O-O-T-H. So adding the vowels of the singular noun by changing the vowels of the singular noun, okay, we can change it into plural. So foot will be changed into feet, man will be changed into man, and tooth will be changed into teeth. So all those facts are important and have to understand and have to know how it is important for all of us, because the running topic is nouns number, and nouns number is too much important for all students, because it will help you more and more. If you are not going to concentrate on it, a lot of problem will be raised in future, particularly and especially in upper class, and that time you will feel a lot of problems. So I think it is too compulsory for all of you, and not much work is given by me, and I am only telling you, you will have to learn it, because 3 and 4 rules in a day you will have to study, and I think it will be completed by you, and no any hesitation will be raised in your brain after study it, because you have studied before this class nouns, and nouns are too much important, and in that chapter you have studied the kinds of noun and classification of noun and countable and uncountable noun. So in classification of noun you have studied a marvelous topic between abstract and concrete noun, and concrete noun is very very important. Once you understand, that means you can verify very easily this is concrete noun. And before noun chapter you have studied subject and predicate. This is very very simple and very very easy how you can separate the part of subject and the part of predicate. And before that chapter you have studied the sentence and its must, because through the definition of sentences you can explain your views, these are the sentence or not. If you have no any idea about the definition of sentence, then a lot of problem will be raised in front of you, because sentence gives a complete sense. If complete sense is not giving, then the thing and the sentence is not in the form of a meaningful sentence. That means that will be the clause. These are the difference. So I mean to say, in all circumstances you will have to learn it, because this is the grammar part and very very important part, and I have to learn it very nicely, and don't hesitate, and take it seriously and take care very nicely. Okay, thanks.